Welcome to SECUReLogBook. All humans divide time and they have the concept of future and past. We also make a differentiation between completed or not completed. SECUReLogBook is a tool that divides the time in minutes and allows you to record information on each of them in the past and in the future. It also allows to indicate if the information you added is completed or not. Because Secure Logbook works like you, it can help you in your everyday life. Secure Logbook has also a technology that allows to store everything in one place. And the search system allows you to group the information and take conclusions from it. Because Secure Logbook is all about data, the most time has been invested to make entering information a piece of cake. Secure Logbook is a powerful, versatile tool that goes with you and will allow you to remember everything. If you use Secure Logbook to wake up, to do your shopping, for reminders, all that information will be stored inside the program. Then the search system will allow you to group the information and extract conclusions from it. Finally, we have that Secure Logbook is a tool that can handle information, can allow you to group the information to extract conclusions from it, and is easy to use. Icing on the cake is that Secure Logbook is very, very safe because it doesn't use internet and doesn't need permissions to work and doesn't have access to your files.